Hello students, today we are going to solve practice set 5.3 of 10th standard maths part first algebra in that chapter number 5 probability. Okay, see before I could start practice set 5.3, let's understand what is event. Okay, see event, a set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. Okay, an event is a subset of sample space. For example, see event, a set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space. For example, tossing two coins at a time. What's the sample space? Tossing two coins at a time. Sample space is one is, it may come HH, no, otherwise HT or TH or TT. No, this is a sample space of tossing two coins at a time. Head and tail, or tail and head and tail and tail. Okay. Now event is a set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space. Here is a sample space, and event is always denoted by capital letters. Okay, let's A. This is the event. What's the condition? Let's take at least getting one tail. Okay, at least getting one tail while tossing two coins. That is event A is getting at least one tail. Means this will HT, one tail is there, then TH, then TT. TT also getting one tail, minimum of at least you have to get one tail. That is a condition, that is called event. Okay, so this is a favorable outcome. See, a set of favorable outcome of a given sample space. This is a sample space and this is a favorable outcome that is called event. And event is a subset of sample space. Subset means this set is taken from this sample space. That is called subset. No, so this is event. Only this much you have to understand. And this sample points n of A is 1, 2, 3. Okay, here sample space, this is sample space. Here n of S, no, n of S is 4. In this way you used to write, no, in practice at 5.2, no, n of S is 4. But this is event A. Event is a subset of a sample space. Okay, that is n of A is 3. See, this type of questions only we are going to solve in practice at 5.3. Okay, understood? No, a set of favorable outcomes of a given sample. Tossing two coins, we get sample space. These are, and event is a subset of the sample space, and also event is denoted by capital letter. So this HT, this is a condition. What is the condition? Getting minimum of one tail, means here one tail, here is one tail, here this is not there. So this is only these three is a subset of this, and this is called event. Okay, now practice at 5.3. okay, first question is write sample space S and number of sample points, that is n of S. This is n of S for each of the following experiments. Also write events A, B, C in the set form, and write n of A, n of B and n of C. Okay, see this is condition. See, one die is rolled. For that, see, this is a condition, one die, only one die. When we throw one die, first we have to write sample space, then we have to write sample points, then event, we have to write event, even numbers on the upper face. Let's solve now. Solution for this, let's write when one die is rolled. For this, when one die is thrown, we get a sample space, that is S is, what's the sample space of one die when we throw one die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. No, therefore n of S is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now event A, that is even number on the upper face. When even number upper face, what are the even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4 and 6 are even numbers. Therefore A, event, that is 2, 4 and 6. Therefore, now we have to write n of A. This is the here question. N of A is 1, 2, 3. See, this is 3. Now event B will, okay, C will mark like this, n of S, sample points. These are sample points. Then now event B. Event B, what is event B? Odd number on the upper face. Upper face. Now we have to write event odd number from this. This is a sample space, odd number. Which are the odd number? 1, 3 and 5. No, 1, 3 and 5. So therefore n of B is, that is what here, n of B is 3 again. N of B is 3. Now event C. What is event C? Prime numbers. On the upper face. Upper face. Which are the prime numbers? That is C, event C. Put flower bracket. Now prime numbers. Here, from this is from C. Which are the prime numbers? See now, 2, 3 and 5. Okay, 2, 3 and 5. Therefore n of C is 3. Only this much you have to do. Now what is prime number? What is prime number? Prime number, see here it is 2. 1 and the same number, except 1 and the same number, there is no other factors. That is called prime number. For example, see 2, 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. Only these two are the multiples. These are the factors. Other than that, we don't have any other factors. So that is called prime number. For 3 also, 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. No other factors, no. For 5 also, 5 1s are 5, 1 5s are 5. One number 1 and the same number. Same number. Other than these two, no other factors, then that the number is called prime numbers. For example, let's take 6. If you take 6, see if you take 6, see 1 6 is 6 and 6 1 is 6. Other than 1 and 6, other factors also there. 2 is there. 2 3 is 6. 3, this is not a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. Take 4. 4, 1 4 is a 4, 4 1 is a 4. Other than this 1 and 4, other factors also has, no? 2 2s are 4. No, 2 2s are 4. Other factors are there. So 4 is not a prime number. Therefore, prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. 1 is not a prime number. Okay? 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. See now, this question number 1. See this question number 1. But these are the events. 1 die is rolled. That is, 1 is over. Now second one is 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. See, 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. We have to write sample space, sample points and these events. These are conditions are given here. Event A, the sum of the digits on sum of the digits on upper faces of the multiple of 6. Like that we have to do. So the 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. For this sample space, now we have 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. Sample space. What's the sample space? See, when 1 die is thrown, what is the sample space? 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, another one is also 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when 2 dice thrown simultaneously means 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Possibility as there. Then 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. Then 3 1. No, these are the possibility of when 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. Therefore 1 1 1. Okay, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5 and 1 and 6. Then now 2 and 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6. Similarly, 3, 1, 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 4, 3 and 5, 3 and 6, 4 and 1, no possibility, 4 and 1, 4 and 2, 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 4 and 5, 4 and 6. Then 5 and 1, possibility, no, 5, 2, 5 and 4, 5 and 5, 5 and 6, 6 and 1, 6 and 2, 6 and 3, 6 and 4, 6 and 5, 6 and 6. Here, flower bracket close. This set from here to here, this is the sample space when two dice are rolled simultaneously. Therefore, number of sample points are how many? 6. This is 6. So, 36. No, number of sample points are 36. Now, event. First, now write event A. The sum of the digits. The sum of the digits on upper faces is a multiple of 6. Is a multiple of 6. This is a condition, event A. The sum of the digits on upper faces is a multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 means what? Which are the multiple of 6? Multiple of 6 is 2, no, 3. So from the set you have to take multiple of 6 means the sum of the digits on upper face is a multiple of 6. Sum. See here, multiple of 6 means, see, multiple of 6 is 6 1s are 6, no, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, no, these are the multiples of 6. So here, the sum of the digits on upper faces is a multiple. The sum has to come, see, 1 plus 1 is 2, it is not a multiple of 6. Now 1 plus 4 becomes 5, it is not a multiple. 1 plus 5 is a 6 and 6 is a multiple of 6. Therefore, now we have to write event, that is A is, okay, A is 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 is a 6. 6 is a multiple of 6, okay. Then 1 plus 6 is 7. It can't be. Then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3 and 2 4. Here comes 2 and 4. 2 and plus 4 is 6. Again 6 is a multiple of 6. 6 is a multiple. 2 and 5 is 7. 2 and 6 is 8. 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. 3 plus 3 is a multiple of 6. No, 3 plus 3 is a 6. Then 3 4 is 7. 3 8. 3 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Is a multiple of 6. No. 4 plus 3 is 7. Cannot be. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. Here again 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Here 1 and 5. Here 5 and 1. Then 5 and 2 is 7. No. 5. No. 5. 5. Here is 6. 6 and 1 is 7. It cannot be. 6 plus 2 is 8. The sum of the digits, okay, on the upper faces is a multiple. When we add these two digits, that should be a multiple of 6, okay. 6 plus 3 cannot be. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 is a multiple of 6 here, okay. 6 and 6. Bracket close. Now, therefore, n of A is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of A is 6. Now, event B. This, see, now event B. Okay, for this event A, now event B. Yeah, here is a, see, when two dice are rolled simultaneously, this is sample space and this is sample points. Event A, this is A, this is sample points. This event A, this event A is a subset of sample space. Okay, so this is now event B. Event B, what's event B says? The sum of the digits, sum of the digits on the upper faces, is minimum of minimum 10, is minimum 10. What the event says? The sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum of 10. Minimum of 10 means what? Minimum, when we add these two digits, it has to minimum of 10 has to come. 11 is okay, 12 is okay, but minimum not less than 10, minimum of 10. So which are the this thing? So now we have to write event B. Okay, minimum of 10. Here it is 1, no, 1 plus 6, 2. Here it is 2 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 8, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 6 is 9. Now here it is 4 plus 6 is 10, no, 4, this here, minimum of 10. This is 4 and 6, 10. Okay, then 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 plus 5, 5 and 5. Minimum plus 10, no? 5 plus 6 is also okay. So here it is what is said. The sum of the digits on the upper face is minimum of 10. It can be 10, it can be 11, it can be 12, but not less than 12, less than 10. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Then 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 and 4 is 10, no? 6 and 4. 6 and 5. And 6 and 6. Flower bracket close. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore now this points, sample points and n of B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 6. N of B is 6. Now event C, the same digit on both upper faces. Event C. Event C, you can mark in this way. Okay, event C says the same digits, same digit on both the upper faces, both digits from the space, sample space we have to take. See, all these events we have to take from the sample space because these events are subset of this sample space. Okay, the same digit on the same digit on the both the upper faces. Here it is, see, 1 1, 1 1, no, 2 2, same digits, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, same digits. Therefore event C, now C is 1 1, 2 2, same digits, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6. Flower bracket close. Therefore n of C, samples points are 1 2 3 4 5 6. N of C is 6. Now third one is 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. For this we have to write sample space, now sample points, then events. Okay, first we'll write sample space. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Which are the sample space? First, all 3 coins may get head, then H, T, H. Okay, then then T H H. Okay, first all three may get head, then see like this, then first one T, second one T, third may get, okay, tail and head, then head and a head and tail, okay, then head and see tail, head here TTH, here HTT, okay, then THT, okay, THT, then all three are tail, flower bracket close. How many? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. See, all three are head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, and head, tail. Here head to tail, then tail, head, tail. All three are tail. So this is a sample space. Therefore, sample points are 8. No, for this, when we toss 3 coins at a time, sample points are 8. Now event for this, see, for event A, condition A, for event A, to get at least 2 heads, condition. See, now condition event condition is to get at least 2 heads. For that we have to write event A, that is 2 heads. We have to get 2 heads. At least getting 2 heads means, this, not this. See, 2 heads. No, here only this much, only 4. Okay, so write those H, then H, T, H, then T, H, H, then H, H, T. Okay, therefore sample point N of A is, event is 1 2 3 4. N of A is 4. Now event B is to get no head, from the sample space only you have to take the subset. Therefore B is, we have to write here, event B is to get no head, means only, see, every point has head, no, so only tail. See, this is no head, means H, not H, T and T. Therefore N of B is 1. No, now event C is event C is to get head on the second coin, on the second coin. To get head on the second coin, from the space we have to sample space only you have to write to get head on the second coin. See, head on the second coin, see this, okay, not this. Now we have to write head, to get head on the second coin, this, not this, not this, not this, only 4. Right, event, therefore C is H, okay, let it be, then not this, T H, okay, then HHT, HHT, okay, then THT, THT, THT. Therefore, N of C is 4. N of C is 4. Okay, very easy, no? Very easy one. Fourth sub-question is, 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digits. So, event A, B, C that we have to write. First, see, we have to form two-digit numbers by using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repeating the digits. So, we cannot use the, see, without repetition means we cannot write this 2 digits same. Okay. So, first let's write the solution part. Two-digit numbers can be formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, without repetition, without repeating the digits. Without repeating the digits are as follows. So the two-digit numbers can be formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repeating digits are as follows. So we have to first write, we have to write sample space. Sample space is S, no? So we have to use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to use. Okay. Two-digit numbers we have to form 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Is it 0, 0, 1 means what? See, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. They are two-digit, but it is 1, no? This is 1. We cannot write 0, 1, 0, 2. We can write 1, 0, no? 1, 0. Start from 1, 0, okay? Start from 1, 0. Then 1, 1 we cannot write. See, without repeating digits. 1, 1 we cannot write. We can write 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. No? 2, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Then start from 2. Now 2. 2, 0, 2, 1, not 2, 2. See, without repeating. So 2, 2 we cannot write. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Okay. Now 3, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 we cannot write. 3, 4, 3, 4. Then 3, 5, 3, 5. Okay. Then 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4 we cannot write without repeating digits. So 4, 4 cannot write. 4, 5. Then 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4 and cannot write 5, 5. Bracket close. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Therefore, number of elements N of S is how many? 25. This much we have to do first before start event. Now start event. Event A. Event A. Okay. Therefore, A is, what is event A? Event A is the number formed is even. Event A, the number formed is even. Even number you have to write. Event A. Even number means divisible by 2. Okay. So event A, this is A. Okay. A. 10 is divided by 2. 10 is divisible by 2. So even number. 10 is even. Then 12 is even. 13 is not even. 14. Not 15. 20. not 21, 23, then 24, no, divisible by 2, then not 25 cannot write, 30, 31, not 31, 32, 34, then here not 35, 40, 42, not 43, not 45, then 50, 51, no, not 51, 52, then 54. These are even numbers. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Therefore, number of elements n of A is 13. Number of elements in this set is 13. N of A is 13. Here n of S, sample space, is 25. If this is event A. Okay, now this is event B. Event B. What is event B? The number formed is divisible by 3. The number formed is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Now therefore, event form, we have to write elements B, we have to, event B we have to write the number formed divisible by 3. From the sample space we have to write divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means 3 multiples of 3, right? So not 10, 12, 3 4s are 12, no? 12, not 13, not 14, 15, 3 5s are 15, no? Then 21, then 24, 24, then not 25, 30, no? 3 30, 30, not 31, 32, no, not 32, 34, no, then 35, no, 40, no, not 41, 42, 42. See how to find out. See, I tell you later. This is 41, 42 will go, 3 1s are 3, 12, 3 4 the notes, 42, 42. This is not 43, will not, 45 will go, 3 1s are 3, then 15. See, 45, 45, not 50. This 3 1s are 3, then 21, 3 7s, 51, 51, not 52, not 53, then 54, 54, 54. Okay, see, divisible by 3 means, see, the number formed is divisible by 3 means you have to add both. If this, when sum comes, the sum has to divide by 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, no? 3 by 3 have to go. 1 plus 3 is 4, not divisible by 3. 1 plus 4 is 5, not divisible by 3. This 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, no? In that way you have to find out. For example, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 45 is 50. 5 plus 0 is 5, not divisible by 3. In that way. So you have to add, the sum should be divisible by 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. See, 51 is divisible by 3. See, 51 is there. So in that way you can make out. Okay. So that's a test whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So here it is B. This now number of elements n of B. N of B is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. N of B is 9. Okay. Now event C. Event C. Event C, the number formed is greater than 50. The number formed is greater than 50. Greater than 50. Okay. Not 50, greater than 50. Okay. So here number formed are greater than 50. Here it is 51, 52, 53, 54. Greater than 50 is 50, not 50. Greater than 50. So therefore C is 51, 52, 53 and 54. Therefore N of C is 4. This is the answer. So only this much you have to do. This is 3 marks question. Easily you can score. Okay. Now sub question 5. Fifth sub question. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. Okay. Here condition for event A, B, C is given. So with that we have to find out first. You have to find out sample space. No, for a given question, you have to find sample space. Then number of elements in the set that we have to write. Then we have to find out event A, B, C. Okay. The first we'll write. See, from 3 men and 2 women environment. 3 men, how we'll take? Let 3 men be denoted by M1, M2, M3. Okay. Let 3 men denoted by M1, M2 and M3. And 2 women denoted by W1 and W2. 2 women denoted by W1 and W2. Now let's write a committee of 2. A committee of 2 are formed in the following way. So we have to write here sample space. So we have to form 3 men and 2 women environment committee of 2 persons. We have to find out two persons. Here M1, M2, M3, then W1, W2. So we have to find out 2 persons. See, here 2 persons. Committee we have to form. That put flower bracket like this. Now we have to write first M1, M2, 2 people, no, 2 persons. 2 person, M1, M2, then M1, M2, comma. Next we can write 2 people, M2, M3. M2, M3, okay. Then M2, M3. Then we can write M1, W1. M2, M3 is over. M1, W1. See here. M1, W1. M1, W2. M1, W2. Then M2, M1, W1. M1, W2. Then M2, W1. M2, W1. M2, W2. Okay, M2, W2. Then M3, W1. M3, W1. M3, W2. W2. 2 people. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then W1 and W2. That also we can make, no? 2 people. W1 and W2. 2 women. W1, W2. Flower bracket close. See in this. See. M1, M2, M2, M3. Okay. Then M2, M3 is not written here. M2, M3 also we can write M2, M3. Not here. Flower bracket. M2, M3. See. M2, M3 also can make 2 people. No. Here it is not there. M2, M3. Not there. So M2, M3. So total, therefore, number of elements N of S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. N of S is 10. Now event A. What is event A? Is there must be at least one woman member. There must be at least one woman member. At least one woman member. So always remember, event is always a subset of sample space. So therefore, event A, we have to write now, there must be at least one woman member. M1, M2, no. M2, M3, no. M1, W1. M1, W1. One woman is there. Then M1, W2. M1, W2. M2, W1. M2, W2. M3, W1. M3, W2. Then here W1, W2. At least there must be at least one woman. One woman. Okay, one woman. Now here M2, M3. Here W1, W2. Cannot write. M2, M3. This is both men. So totally how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, in this is space, sample space. M1, W1, M1, W2, M2, W1, M2, W2, M3, W1, M3, W2. At least one woman means W1, W2 also. No, at least one woman means that W1, W2. At least one means one woman is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, number of elements, n of A is 7. Number of n of A is 7. Okay. Then event B. Event B, what event B says? One man, one woman committee to be formed. One man, one woman. One woman committee to be formed. One man, one woman. So therefore event B, you have to write now. See, sample space, M1, M2 both men. These are M2, M3 is both men. And M1, W1. One man, one woman. Okay, M1, man and woman. That is M1 and W1. Okay, then one man, one woman. M1, W2. Then M2, W1. M2, W2. M3, W1. You have to write it from the sample space. One man, one woman. M3, W1. M3, W2. M3, W2. That's it. One man, one woman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, flower bracket close. Therefore, number of elements n of B is 6. N of B is 6. Then event C. What event C says? Condition for event C. There should not be a woman member. There should not be a woman member. There should not be a woman member. Now there should not be a woman member. Therefore, event C, right, from the sample space. See, there should not be woman. Means the elements cannot have woman. So M1, M2, only men. M1, M2, comma, here M2, M3, no, M2, M3. Then M1, W1, M2, W1, M3, W1, here M2, M3. See, here is also M2, M3. Some made mistake. Here also M2, M3. See, this is sample space. M1, M2, M3. This is W1. This is M1, M2. Okay. Then M1, M3. This is M2, M3 already written here. So this should be M1, M3. M1. This is M1, M3. Okay. This is M1, M3. That's it. M1, M2, M1, M3 and M2, M3. Rest everything having the elements W, woman. Okay, so only 3. Therefore, N of C is 3. See, only this much you have to do, okay? So while writing sample space, you have to be very careful, okay? Because M1, M2, M3, that you have to write M1, that sample space, the event elements of this sample space you have to write carefully. But in that event A, B, C, that you can choose, this is subset, no? Events are subset of the sample space, that you have to write it from the this sample space. But while writing sample space, you have to be very careful, okay? Sixth sub question. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. See, one coin, when we toss a coin, what is the sample space? Sample space is head or tail, no, we get. And one die, when we throw, what is the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcome of the coin. This is outcome of a die. But one coin and one die thrown simultaneously. How it is possible? See, once H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 possibility, no? Head and all 6 times die, 6 numbers. Secondly, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Like that, no? This is a possibility. This is the outcome while if we throw coin and die simultaneously. So solution part is, a coin is tossed and a die is thrown simultaneously. First event A. Oh, no, not event A. First we have to write sample space. No, first we have to write sample space. What is the sample space? One coin and one this thing die. So H and 1, no? Then H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. These are the possibility. Head and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the die. Second, then tail and 1, tail and 2, T3, T4, T5, T6. These are the possible outcome. These are the possibilities. So therefore, n of s is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the possible. These are the outcome. These are the possibility. N of s, number of elements. Okay. Now event. Now therefore event A. What is event A? Condition for event A is to get head and an odd number. To get head and an odd number. Odd number. To get head and an odd number. We have to odd number we have to find out, and head. See, head and odd numbers. Head 1, therefore event A is head H1, odd numbers. Then H3 and H5, odd number, no? See, H5 like this you have to write, not this 3 in this way. Okay, H5, only head and odd number, H1, H3 and H5. These are the, therefore n of A is 3. N of A is 3. Now event B. The condition for event B, to get head or tail and an even number. To get a head or tail and an even number. Even to get head or tail. Head and tail and even number. Okay, to get, see here, to get head or tail and even number, that we have to write. Therefore event B is to get one head and even. See, this is H2, head, no, and even number. Then H2, H4 and H6, head and even number. then tail and even number. Tail T2, T2, T4 and T6. Head or tail and even number. H2, H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. Therefore, number of elements N of B is 6. Okay. Now event C. Event C. Event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. 7 and tail on the, see, number on the upper face, if you will write here, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Tail on the coin. See, number on the upper face is greater than 7 means what? See, our sample space is, see, the outcome of die is only till 6. No, till 6. This is, condition is number on the upper face is greater than 7 means what? There is no elements, such elements. Therefore, C is what to write? Nothing we have to write. Nothing is there. In greater than 7 means till 6 only. Head and tail, and the outcome of die is only till 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the therefore here event C, we cannot write anything. 0. Therefore N of C is 0. Greater than 7 means till 6 only we have, no? Only this is only how to write. Only this much you have to do. Okay. N of C is 0. So your practice set 5.3 has got over. If you have any doubt, any confusion or any suggestions, if you have anything like that, do let me know in the comment section. Okay. Also like and share with your friends and classmates and all those who need it. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're watching my video for the first time. Okay. So okay then. Bye.